guys, welcome back to our channel, Family Travel Time. On this episode, we went to Temecula with our baby Daniel. It was his first time ever going there.
What made it different is we just didn't go to the casino the whole time, and we actually looked to do kid-friendly things.
Look, Daniel, the balloon baby. He's mesmerized.
Follow us on this episode, and please subscribe if you haven't already. We're trying to hit 100 subscribers so we can keep our channel name, so it's really important.
And our goal is to travel with our baby as much as we can because we love traveling, and we hope to inspire you to do the same. I'm so excited we're going to Temecula right now.
Temecula is actually a special place for Yeva and I because that's where I proposed to Yeva.
I'm super stoked this time because we're gonna take our baby with us, and he's never been there, obviously. We are driving at night, so by the time we get to Temecula, it's gonna be dark and there's gonna be nothing to do. We're just gonna go to sleep and we'll wake up in the morning and we'll see you then. Hello from Temecula. We're here at 7:30 in the morning and we made it. We're a little bit late, but we made it. And look at this view. 6.5 years ago, we got engaged here on a hot air balloon. Who would have thought we would be here 6.5 years later with a baby? Crazy. It's a lot better than I remembered. It is so beautiful here. I actually remember a lot of those balloons from last time we were here. So there's Pirates of the Caribbean. There's like a moon one, which is beautiful. I love that one. It reminds me of like being a kid and looking at a cartoon or something. Look, Daniel! Look at the balloon baby. This is such a unique experience. This view is definitely worth waking up early for.
What a great way to start the morning.
To be honest, it's almost more fun looking at them than being in one.
I guess you don't even have to go on them to get a unique experience.
To be honest, we've been on one and it's kind of scary.
It was scary, but it's because I was about to propose. So after the hot air balloons, we went into town to Old Town Temecula.
We looked on Yelp to find a cool spot for breakfast.
And we found a really good spot called La Coffee Shop.
I got a Nutella crepe. It's kind of difficult to eat with a baby. We're good. Look at this coffee. Daniel's gonna throw everything everywhere, but not gonna happen. Not here. Okay, I just said it's not gonna happen, and look at our table. Oh my god, we gotta be more careful going forward. After destroying the table, we headed to the town to walk around.
It looks like you're still in the 1800s, which makes this a really unique town to walk around.
The town of Temecula was founded in 1859, and there's actually a hotel that's still standing from 1891.
And there are also a lot of cool restaurants, shops, and a ton of antique stores. But what caught our eye the most was City Hall on top of the hill.
It's a very modern building, but it's architecturally very beautiful.
And after City Hall, we walked down the hill to the Temecula Olive Oil Company, right down the street from City Hall.
We are here at the Olive Oil Company, and we're gonna do some olive oil tasting and vinegar tasting.
They have a huge selection here of olive oils and balsamic vinegars.
It's a great place to buy a gift in advance for somebody who's into this type of thing.
I think they have the largest variety of olive oil and vinegar I think I've ever seen. It's like going to those candle shops that have like thousands of different types of candles, but instead it's olive oil and vinegar. Kind of cool.
Okay, so we're doing olive oil and vinegar tasting right now. Look at it. Oops.
Oh my god.
Okay guys, so we got our olive oil and vinegar with a nice big bread. It looks so good. Let's see.
It's good?
So good. Now it's your turn to try it.
It's actually pretty good. You know, they said it was olive oil and vinegar, but there's definitely something else in it. Some kind of spice, I don't know. I'm assuming it's some of those that we saw inside. Daniel agrees as well.
Daniel wants some too. If you guys are in the area, this is a no-brainer.
Especially for the price, it's like $4.
Like, look what you get. It's so huge.
And to wrap up our stay, we couldn't help but stop at one of these antique stores.
This could have even been my first time going, but I was very excited to check it out. We're in an antique shop and look at all those different coins. So cool. They're from different countries, looks like. Okay, I found a gift for my birthday.
What is it?
It's right there.
tiara.
So look at the Mickey Mouses. All different toys, different cameras. That's fun.
Those cameras have no competition on mine. Even though it was a little bit overwhelming with just the amount of things to look at, we still had a really fun time looking at everything. And it was a really good way to end our stay in Old Town Temecula.
We had a great time discovering downtown Temecula. Now on to the next.
All right, so we just got to Cougar Wines, and we were actually going to go to Miramonte, which is one of the most popular wineries, but it was a 2.5 hour wait.
We ended up just going on open table and finding the next available spot that had a reservation. And oh my God, I'm so happy we came here.
And it is stunning. It is actually 5 times more beautiful than it was at those other places, and it's more low key. The view is beautiful. We just got a really nice wine. It's like a dry cab, and it's very tasty.
Cheers.
Cheers. This winery sits on 17 acres and it's beautiful. It overlooks the valley. We also found out that they specialize in Italian varietals. The winery inside was very warm and inviting. It was dog friendly. We thought that was really cool.
And what's great is that they make their own food, and we ordered a few things. Okay, let's start with bruschetta. It's like 9.5 out of 10. Now let's try the salad. Very good. I would say like 10 out of 10. Let me try the pizza last.
How much?
Like 8.5 out of 10. It's really
That's
good.
pretty good.
I am in love with this place. Wow, look at this view. Sometimes you just have to stand up and not think about much and just enjoy the view. Those hills in front of us just remind me of being in Italy or France. You don't feel like you're in California. We definitely recommend this place. It's a hidden gem. And also, we're gonna just chill here without cameras, without anything, and just enjoy the view.
All right, it's day 2 from Temecula. Morning, Daniel. Are you excited to go to the museum today? Woo!
Daniel's super stoked to go to Penny Pickle's workshop. Aren't you excited? Aren't you excited? The next day, we wanted to dedicate to Daniel, so we went online and found this really cool museum called Penny Pickle's Museum.
We saw a lot of good reviews online, so we headed back into Old Town Temecula.
So we just got in. It was $10 to get in for both of us and the baby. Baby was free. We're not sure what to expect, but we decided to give it a try.
Because Daniel was so young, we weren't 100% sure he was gonna really like it.
And oh my God, he was so mesmerized by everything.
Yeah, it's kind of funny, but I think we all enjoyed being there. Yev and I definitely felt like kids again.
Okay, this is the power and electricity room. It is so cool. Even though he's so little, he's still looking around. He's mesmerized.
There were 5 different rooms, and after walking into the first room, we knew we made the right choice to come here.
Okay, now this is the chemistry and physics room.
This room was actually really cool, and you can totally see why it's so popular with kids. You can literally touch anything you want here. This room's called the Playroom, and it looks like a magical movie, like Harry Potter or something. And I think Daniel actually likes it, even though he's really young. I think he's enjoying it.
Okay, we're gonna see how long is the hallway. I guess it's really long.
Other than the main rooms, there's also other areas in the museum, like this place where there's this really cool light wall. So we're gonna go into water resources. A year ago, this would have been broken. People would have gone in there and broken it. Wow. This is really neat. It looks like we're under a house.
This is kind of creepy, I think. Okay, so remember when we were in the water resources room? There's a two-way mirror and it looks inside the other room. So people wouldn't know you're watching them from the other room. That's really creepy. We're in the music room. He doesn't know what to do yet. He's too little. Maybe this means he's not gonna be a drummer. So we had a great time at the museum and Daniel had a great time too. He actually enjoyed it. I cannot wait to come back when he's a little bit older. Now we're gonna go back to our hotel and chop in the pool. Daniel's favorite activity. Hey guys, so we just got to our hotel room and we're staying in Pechanga Hotel and Casino. The entire hotel is completely sold out, so we're lucky to get anything. That's the reason why we have 2 beds, but whatever, we're still happy. So when we got here, actually, I did some work for our business, so this desk is super handy, and then there's nice TV. But the best part about this room is absolutely this view. It's magical. So let's go check out the bathroom. Okay, so the great thing about being here on day 2, we already tested out everything. And oh my god, the shower is amazing. It's a nice walk-in rain shower and then just a bathroom and really nice countertops. I really like the design. And that's our room tour. Daniel approves. We always love going to Pechanga, and even now having a baby, you don't even have to go to a casino. They have beautiful surrounding areas to walk around. You can go to the nice restaurants.
They have a Mexican restaurant. They have their own cafe, which serves almost anything you want. We always like to go to Blazing Noodles, which is a really good Thai and Chinese restaurant.
And they even have a little bit of shopping to do.
But the best part about this hotel for the kids are the pools.
Daniel, let's go chop. Let's go chop. Pechanga has this new area called the Cove, which is the pool area, and it is so beautiful.
They also have cabanas you can rent out, and they have a huge kids pool with 2 big water slides. This is a great way to end the trip. Daniel loves the water.
Hi. We're ending this trip on the best note in the pool. We have to go home tonight. It's kind of sad, but we're gonna go travel more. Thank you for watching. We hope we inspired you to go check out Temecula if you're local to LA area. And even if you're not, if you're visiting LA and going to San Diego, it's a quick stop. You don't even have to stay the night.
And just remember, life's not over when you have kids. It continues on, and we'll see you in the next episode.